Hi, everyone, how's it going? My name is Brian Williams, and today I'm very excited to share with you my experience with a product that has made a significant difference in my life, Joint Restore Gummies.
I've been receiving a lot of questions about this product, so I decided to do this review to clarify everything for you. So what are Joint Restore Gummies? Well, these gummies were formulated to provide support and restoration to our joints. If you, like me, have ever felt those uncomfortable joint pains, you know how it can affect your quality of life. Joint Restore Gummies promise to be the solution we've been looking for. Let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, these gummies are packed with natural ingredients known to promote joint health. This includes collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, working together to strengthen joints, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Personally, I've felt a real difference since I started taking these gummies. My mobility has improved, and the pains I used to feel have significantly decreased. Now, who are Joint Restore Gummies recommended for? Well, if you're someone who suffers from joint pain, stiffness, or any discomfort in that area, I would say it's definitely worth trying. Additionally, for those who engage in sports or regular physical activities, these gummies can be a great ally in preventing injuries and maintaining joint health. An important alert: when purchasing Joint Restore Gummies, make sure to get them from the official manufacturer's website. This is crucial to ensure you're receiving an authentic and quality product. Unfortunately, there are many imitations on the market, and to be sure you're getting the real benefits, it's essential to buy directly from the manufacturer. If you're tired of dealing with joint pain and want to experience the incredible benefits of Joint Restore Gummies, check out the link in the video description. There, you'll find additional information and can make your purchase securely. I hope this review has been helpful for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on health and well-being. And I'll see you in the next video.